Hello everyone, this is my review of the Japanese rice crackers with peanuts. This is a Japanese snack that my sister introduced me to when she went to Japan, and I have fell in love with them. This pack here comes with a nice little handy dandy bag that you can, I guess, save and use for other things. But there's 4 of these in a pack, and this is how they look. These packets, you just cut open at the top, and they're Ziploc, so they're resealable, so you can continue to use the same container once you open it up. Okay, let me show you what they look like in my hand here. They're small little crackers, but they very fulfilling and have a unique taste to it. Kind of I don't know, kind of a pungy taste, but it's good. I liked it, and the peanuts help with offsetting the flavor as well. We get peanuts in there. I really like this snack, and I think you will enjoy it. So I hope this review helps.